Hello, today I want to show you how to change the brightness and contrast of the photo. If you want to learn how to do this in Photoshop 2024, watch the rest of this video. Well, it's time to learn a very simple new trick. Open Photoshop, and when you open it, you will come across this page. You can open your photo in two ways: drag and drop your photo from your system here, or select it through Select One. As you can see, your photo has been opened. To change the brightness and contrast of the photo, first of all, you must make sure that the layer of your photo is selected in the Layers section. Now, from the above menu, select Image, Adjustments, Brightness, Contrast. As you can see, a small window for these settings will open for us to change the brightness of the screen. Just drag the brightness level to the left and right, or simply enter a number here. You can clearly see that the brightness of our photo increases and decreases. If you want to return to the default settings, you can double click on the brightness level. Note that the brightness change is applied to the entire photo. To change the contrast, you can use the contrast level and drag it to the right and left. By changing the contrast, dark colors will become darker and light colors will become brighter by increasing and decreasing the contrast. If you look at the shadow of this dog or the wall, you can clearly see the change. Make these changes according to your own taste to get the result you want. If you want to understand how your current photo is different from the first photo after the changes, remove the preview tick. Now you can see how different it is from your first photo. If you want to learn Photoshop 2024 from beginner to professional, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my